Warren Buffett's golden rule. This one rule built a $100+ billion fortune. What if I told you that one simple rule helped Warren Buffett become one of the richest investors in the world? Not luck, not secret connections, just one powerful principle. And if you understand this rule, it can completely change the way you invest and grow wealth. Let's break it down. Warren Buffett's golden rule is simple: never lose money. Rule number 2, never forget rule number 1. Sounds easy, but this mindset is rare. Most people chase fast profits. Buffett focuses on protecting capital first. Here's how he actually applies it. He invests only in what he understands. Buffett never invests in businesses he doesn't understand. If he can't explain how a company makes money in simple words, he doesn't invest. He buys strong businesses, not hot stocks. He looks for companies with strong brands, loyal customers, and long-term growth. Not hype, not trends. He thinks long-term. While others panic and sell, Buffett holds for years, sometimes decades. Time is his biggest weapon. Power message. Buffett once said, "The stock market transfers money from the impatient." And that's the real secret. Not timing the market, but time in the market. If you want to think like an investor, not a gambler. Follow Investor Xpert for real money education. Comment Buffett if you believe in smart investing.